Gatiobuo bwechinyomba chia mate nigobora ire egeka kiemete nyetato na nigobora korwe imeya Kiogoro na Kenyoro imeye wadi ya Kisii Central ase constituency ya Nyaribari chache. Na boy gobwa Gatiobuo nigobora ire chishilingi milioni 19 echo chiarwe twene kiombeke manyekanete na Water Sector Trust Fund
of launching the Kiogoro water project. Gusii Water and Sanitation Company, Your Excellency, was incorporated back in 2006 as a public company limited by shares. And our mandate, Your Excellency, is to supply water and sanitation services to the larger Gusii, that is Kisii and Nyamira counties. Gusii Water and Sanitation Company, currently, we are operating 8 schemes, Your Excellency. In Kisii County, we have Kegati, that is serving the whole of the Kisii Central Business Unit. We also have Nyakomisaro, that is serving the areas of Mwembe and Milimani. We have Keumbu, that is serving the Keumbu area, Yesusu, Ogembo, Tabaka, and Birongo. And we also have 1 wastewater treatment plant at Tuneka and 5 in Nyamira County. The utility has a total of about 21,420 connections in both counties, Your Excellency. Your Excellency, why we are here today, because we received a funding support from the German Development Bank, that is KfW, for the expansion of the Kegati project. Initially, Your Excellency, it was 6,000 cubic meters, but today we are happy that we are able to pump 27,000 cubic meters per day. Your Excellency, the project was completed back in 2020. The company has various reservoir tanks. Your Excellency, in this area, we have a reservoir tank at Nyanguru that is 500 meters cubic. This tank serves the whole of Kiogoro, but Your Excellency, most of the areas, they are not covered because we lacked the last mile connectivity. And it is out of that the company did a proposal to Water Sector Trust Fund back in the year 2020, and we were lucky the beginning of this year it was approved, and we were given a go-ahead to have the program done. Your Excellency, this proposal entails a coverage of 9.4 kilometers, an elevated water tank, and also we are going to do some water kiosks, one at Kiogoro and another one at Menyinkwa Market. Your Excellency, we expect this project to benefit the residents of Menyinkwa, Kiamavudu, Otaba, Masongo, and Nyataru. Your Excellency, today we are happy because also the county government, through your support, has been and has given us a hand in support of this project. And we want to sincerely thank you. We also want to sincerely thank all our stakeholders who have also supported us as a water service provider so that we are able to achieve the mandate of Gusii Water and Sanitation Company. Therefore, Your Excellency, we want to take this opportunity to welcome you for this launching, and we are happy that you're here so that we are able to leave your manifesto of increased coverage in water sanitation provision. Your Excellency, as I finish, I would want to take this opportunity just to make you, in a special way, to recognize the various people who have supported us this far. And I want to specially thank the Nyataro fraternity. We have the principal and the head teacher of Nyataro Secondary School and also Nyataro Primary School. Wherever they are, maybe they can wave.